Yeah, we just ordered food. It should be coming out pretty soon, so.
That's good. I'm gonna call you maybe later when I have time to talk. Is that okay?
That'd be great.
Okay.
All right, it's good to see you and good talking to you, dear.
That's good. You'll be good, okay?
Hello, dear. You too. Thanks.
All right, bye.
In this video, you're going to be learning how to make a fake video call on any social media platform. You're going to be learning how to make a fake video call on Facebook. You're going to be learning how to make a fake video call on Instagram. You're going to be learning how to make a fake video call on Telegram. And there are other platforms that you can try out by yourself and get some tangible results. Now, I don't want to waste your time, guys. Let's get started. Now, first thing you want to do is this. You're just going to come to your Chrome browser and you're going to search up expression camera. Once you have searched up expression camera, you're just going to hit your enter button. Okay, and now you can see the first page for expression camera. Now this is what we're going to be using. You can use other softwares like Deepface Live, and there are many other deepfaking softwares that are very good, but for me, I'm just going to be going with this one since this is the most requested software for fake video calls. Now I'm just going to click on this. Okay, and once I click on that, it's going to come over to this page. Now first of all, we have to go over the specifications of the laptop you need to have for expression camera to work. You can see that expression camera needs to be on a Core i5 9th generation. So if you don't have a 9th generation, if you have a 8th generation, it's fine, but try and come close to a 9th generation laptop. That is the minimum requirements. Now you want to download expression camera for your fake video call on WhatsApp or Instagram or anywhere. I'm going to be showing you guys every social media platform. Now I'm just going to swipe up. Okay, I'm just going to be swiping up, and you guys are going to be seeing different things. And if you come over here, you're going to see these two buttons. Now what are these two buttons? Over here you have download for Mac. If you're using a MacBook, you're going to download it for your MacBook, you understand. And over here you have download for Windows. That is, if you're using a Windows laptop, you're going to download it for your Windows laptop. Now I'm using a Windows laptop. Obviously you can see my Windows button, so I'm just going to download it for my Windows. Now I have already downloaded it, but I'm just going to download it again just to show you guys how it works. Now I'm just going to click on download, and you can see it is asking me where it is going to save it to. You understand? Now I've downloaded it before, so there's no need to download it again. Now I'm just going to click on cancel. I'm going to go to my downloads. Okay, and when I go to my downloads, you can see expression camera. This is how it's going to be on your laptop. Now you're going to double click on it. Okay, and you're just going to drag this out. Okay, you're going to extract it. This is basically extraction. Now I'm done. I'm just going to click on my desktop. Okay, and I'm just going to open up my expression camera. Okay, so I want you guys to follow this video from the beginning to the end, so you know how to make a fake video call on any social media platform. And please, by the way, if you're enjoying this video, please like this video, share this video, and also comment where you're watching from. All right, I believe you've done that. I'm just going to click on run. Okay, I'm just going to come here and click on run. All right, so you guys have seen that it has installed on my laptop. So now we're done with the installation. What am I going to do? I'm just going to click on my Windows button. Okay, I'm just going to open up expression camera. You can see that expression camera is showing up here in my Windows recently added. So I'm just going to open up my expression camera. Okay, it won't take so much time to open up. You guys can see it, expression camera. Now if you're at this stage, don't be afraid, just follow me from the beginning to the end. In this video, you're going to be learning how to make a fake video call on all platforms. Okay, now I'm just going to click on next, and you guys can see this page. Okay, now this is the login page. Okay, so if you don't have an expression camera login, you can either purchase it from them, or you can just message me on Instagram at format_boy. I will sell it to you at a cheap price. Okay, so you can make your fake video call. You understand? I sell it to you at a cheap price. Now if you're at this page and you have bought the login from me or from the site, you're just going to click on I already have an account. Okay, and I'm going to put your login details. Alright guys, so you guys have seen I put my login details, and you can see that this is the pro login. If you want to confirm whether this is the pro login, you can see that there is no watermark at all. Okay, now this my laptop does not have a webcam. You guys can see it does not have a webcam at all, so I'm just going to be showing you guys how it is done. So if you don't have a webcam, you are safe, or if you want to use an external webcam, you are still safe. I want to show you guys how it's done. Now this is my external webcam. Okay, you guys can see my external webcam. You can basically use any type of external webcam, either a 1080p external webcam or a 720p external webcam. Now how do you use an external webcam with your expression camera? Follow me. I'm just going to carry my wire, okay, and I'm just going to plug it into my laptop. and you can see that it is successfully connected to my laptop. Alright, so we plug the external webcam, and you guys can see that I'm showing on the external webcam. Okay, now how do we do this fake video call? I'm just going to click on choose image. Okay, and if I click on choose image, you're going to come over to this page, and now you must have a picture on your laptop. That is a picture that you want to control with your face. This is not like the face live that you can wave your hand. Okay, this one is like Avatarify, but why I prefer expression camera is that it does not shake like Avatarify. Now in order to select your image, you're just going to come over here and I'm going to choose one of your images. Now I'm just going to select my image. Okay, and if I put my camera up, you guys can see everything. I can open my mouth, okay, I can blink, okay, and I can even turn my head. Okay, you guys can see everything. Now it is not the most realistic one, it is not like Avatarify, but for me I think it is more stable. Okay, but if you want the best facial expressions, okay, you can go for Avatarify. But if you want something that is under a budget, I think expression camera is for those that are under a budget. Alright guys, let's continue with this tutorial. So now you've understood the expression camera, let us move on to how to connect it to WhatsApp and other platforms. Now focus on this part because this part is very important. Now I'm just going to open up my Chrome browser. I'm going to type OBS Studio. I'm going to click on enter. Okay, and I'm going to click on OBS Studio. So once I click on OBS Studio, I'm going to click on Windows, and once I click on Windows, I'm just going to save. Now for me, I have installed OBS Studio, but if you have not installed OBS Studio, I advise you to just save it and install it. It's not hard. Okay, I'm just going to open up my OBS Studio. Okay, I'm going to click on enter, and it's just going to load up. Now you guys can see how OBS Studio looks. I need your full concentration. Now in order to make a fake video call on any social media platform, this is what you have to do. You're just going to come over here and you're going to click on plus, and you're going to click on video capture, and you're going to click on OK. And when you click on OK, you're just going to change this from your camera. Okay, you're going to change this to expression camera, and automatically you guys can see expression camera is showing over here. After clicking on device and selecting expression camera, you understand, you're just going to click on OK, nothing else, and you can see that expression camera is showing. Now because I've not positioned my face well, that is why it is showing like this, and this is how it's going to be throughout the tutorial. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Now I'm just going to click on start virtual camera. Okay, very simple and straightforward, you understand. And now we're going to try and make a fake video call on Facebook. Okay, so I'm just going to open up my Chrome browser. Okay, and I'm just going to search for Facebook. Okay, and I'm going to video call. So coming over here, you guys are going to see two buttons. This is going to be for your camera, and this is going to be for your microphone if you want to mute it. Now I'm just going to click on this camera. Okay, and I'm going to choose either OBS Studio. Okay, you can see what OBS Studio is showing, so this means that expression camera is working. Or you can just come over here, okay, and choose expression camera. Okay, and it's still going to show you the same thing. Okay, you can see expression camera. So that is what the person that is calling you is going to see when they answer the call. Okay, now this is Instagram fake video call, and by the way, if you are loving this video, I would like if you can subscribe, like, and also share this video with others that want to learn how to make a fake video call on all platforms. Now let's say I want to call somebody. Okay, and if I click on video call, you're just going to wait for it to load up. And now that it has loaded up, this is the most important part. I'm just going to click on settings. Okay, and I'm going to change this from this to either expression camera or OBS. I'm going to click on done. So because I'm not using my webcam, right, I'm not putting my face on my webcam, that is why it's not controlling the face. That is why it is static. Okay, I'm going to end the call. And now the next one I'm going to be learning is how to make a fake video call on Google Chat. Now I'm just going to search up Google Chat. I'm going to click on Google Chat. I'm going to select Google Chat over here, and if I select Google Chat, it's going to take some time to load, but definitely it's going to load up. Watch this part very well. After searching the email I want to video call, I'm just going to click on that email address, and if I move my camera down, you're going to see different buttons. The one you want to click is this one. You're just going to click on this one, and I'm going to click on send, and I'm going to click on this, and when you click on this, it's going to take you to this page. A prompt is going to come up. Okay, and I'm going to click on on allow microphone and camera, and if I carry my camera up, you're going to see this. Okay, you're going to see use your cameras, use your microphone. I'm going to click on allow, and when you click on allow, you're just going to refresh the page, and when you refresh the page, you can see camera is starting. Now over here, instead of NDI webcam, you're just going to change this to expression camera. Okay, and you can see expression camera is showing. Now the reason why it's like this is because I've not carried my camera and put on my face yet. You understand? It's actually a static picture looking for a face to control it. You understand? I'm just going to be showing you guys that this is working on all platforms. Like, you're going to see this expression camera on all platforms. Sure, you understand? Now I'm just going to click on join now, and I'm just going to click on allow. With that out of the way, you can see that it is working on Google Chat. If you want to end your call, you're just going to click on cut. Okay, and you can see that we have ended the Google Chat video call. The next one is WhatsApp. Now, in order to make a fake video call on WhatsApp, you're going to download NDI Suite. Okay, and when you've downloaded it, you're just going to carry your camera down and you're going to click on NDI Suite. Okay, this link is in the description of this video, so you can see it. Okay, you're just going to carry your camera here and you're going to click on for Windows, and you guys can see that it is already downloading. But because I already have it on my laptop, I'm just going to click on X. It's basically simple. Once you open it up, you're just going to follow up a sign up process, and when you're done, it's just going to look like this. In order to make a fake video call, you're just going to click on this webcam, and if you click on this webcam, you're going to make sure that this setting over here is set to OBS. You can see it is set in OBS. If you want to learn how to do this, you can watch this video over here. But if you want to keep watching this video and watch how to make a fake video call on Telegram, then watch this video to the very end. Now you guys can see that this is showing over here. As I told you, you just go to your settings and you go to your laptop and you change this to OBS. You guys can see that this is OBS. Now if I open up my OBS Studio, okay, I'm just going to click on start virtual camera. I'm going to close it. Okay, now it's time to make a fake video call on WhatsApp. I can see this video call button. I'm just going to click on it, and if I click on it, it's going to show the person over here. And if I carry my camera down here, you can see these three dots. I'm just going to click on these three dots, and I'm going to make sure that it is set to NDI webcam. This is the only way you can make a fake video call on WhatsApp. That is very, very good. Okay, all right guys, let's move on to Telegram. So now you're going to be learning how to make a fake video call on Telegram. I'm going to open up my expression camera. So if you need the pro login, I sell the pro login. You can just send the DM on Instagram and I'm going to reach out to you. Now remember, the reason why the image is not moving is because my webcam is not on my face. If my webcam was on my face, the image is going to be moving, but because the webcam is not on my face, that's why the image is not moving. Now I'm just going to click on start virtual camera, and you guys can see my virtual camera has started. And if you've not downloaded Telegram desktop, you're going to download Telegram desktop because it is the one for laptop. You understand? All right guys, so this is Telegram. Now I can't make a fake video call here because the person I want to call unfortunately is offline, but I want to show you guys how to set it up. If I carry my camera over here, you guys can see this three dash. I'm going to click on this three dash, then I'm going to move my camera down. Okay, you guys can see settings. I'm going to click on settings, and when I click on settings, you're going to see different buttons. Then you're going to see speaker and camera. You're going to click on speaker and camera, and you're going to see different settings over here. I'm just going to click on input device, and I'm going to click on OBS or expression camera. You can see that it is showing that it is expression camera, so you have already automatically set it for video calls. So this is how to make a fake video call on all social media platforms. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and don't forget to comment where you're watching from. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.